Memories by Marna Coldwater. Thanksgiving 2017. I am grateful for this garden. It's kind of hotter than I'd like, and I always have to cover myself in long sleeves, pants, socks, and still run away from mosquitoes after a while. I smell our turkey baking, and it smells good. Neighbor might be deep frying theirs, and it no smell so good. Depends which way the wind blows, which one I smell. Pam came over to watch Macys parade and dog show. I love that stuff. I love Pam. Seems like Broadway performances were more mixed into the parade, and I already forgot who won the dog show. I like celebrating Thanksgiving. Leave it to Pam to rightfully remind not everyone likey. The construction paper pilgrim hats and Indian headbands of my childhood isn't really the whole story. My favorite part of living on the Navajo Reservation in Pinehill were the pinion pines and the smells of all of us burning our wood in the winter. The morning was like we're all breathing campfire, walking to campus from staff housing. I liked the herd of goats that grazed through campus. Freaked me out so bad the first time I saw them on campus. The city slicker teacher, me, called the front office because there was a herd of animals, goats, sheep, dogs, outside her classroom door. They explained grazing rights to me, and there you go. My favorite kid story from the res is when Brookie, who had been a junior Navajo princess, told me which two boys in our 6th grade class were eligible to marry her due to their various grandparents' clans. I was on my game that day and reminded her that husbands don't have to be your same age. I made 3 6th graders very happy that day. I learned about the Navajo Long Walk and all the bullshit these people went through, particularly those early res days. Fry bread. No. Don't get me wrong, that shit looks amazing, especially super fresh. Except it's made with some grain, powdered milk, and lard. Ha! Are you kidding me? Just throw some bacon, shrimp, and cheese sauce on there, and we'll serve it for Yom Kippur. The cats loved the res. Oh my God, that was amazing for them. They ran around outside as much as they wanted and would hide on top of our car when the herd came through. How fun to be a cat. Memories by Marna Coldwater. Thanksgiving 2000.